guys, today I have received my Boxycharm base box for the month of February. For those who are not familiar, there are 3 different levels with Boxycharm. This is the base box for $27.99 plus tax. Shipping is free. The box is valued up to $175. You receive 5 full-size products. You choose one. Boxycharm chooses 4 other based on your profile. The premium is $39.99 plus tax, free shipping. You get 6 full-size items. You choose 2. Boxycharm chooses the other 4 based on your profile. That is valued up to $215. Base and premium include skincare and makeup. There is the Luxe subscription as well, which is 8 full-size products plus. That is skincare, makeup, and lifestyle products. Does retail $59.99, and I think it may be valued up to $500, somewhere between $300 and $500. It does, although, only come out every 3 months, and it does replace your Boxycharm base box. So you will not get the base box the month that you get the Luxe box. So this is the base box. It's been a while since I've received it. It looks like my version is 25. And this is a list of all the products and a little detail about them that are in my box. This is the February Be My Glamentine box. Okay, so the first item that I'm pulling out is a Hip Dot palette. It's a 15-pan pressed eyeshadow palette. It is animal test-free vegan. And it has, looks like maybe 8 blues. One is a greenish blue, a couple beiges, and that rain color there in the corner is very, very light. It's a very pretty color. I have so many palettes, I'm not going to be able to use it, so I'm going to go ahead and add this to the Valentine giveaway that I just uploaded. Okay, so the next is called Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush by the company Alley-Oop. And this actually has the sponge here, and then for like contouring, and then that has the blending sponge, a medium shadow brush, and an angled brow liner brush. You just take it apart, you just twist it, you see, and then that would be the angled liner brush, and then on the other side would give you a medium shadow brush. So you have 4 brushes in one. So I think this is really cool, easy to take with you. So it has the powder contour brush, blending sponge, medium shadow brush, and the angled brow liner brush. Vegan, latex-free, cruelty-free. Okay, so the next one is Saturday Skin UZ Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. This buttery cream glides on with antioxidant-rich yuzu fruit. And it says you just make a C formation under the eye and put it on in a tapping motion. So I'm excited for that one. Okay, so the next one is a translucent powder made by the company OPV Beauty of London. Loose setting powder, translucent. All right. Wear alone. Wears a setting powder to mattify, set, conceal, diffuse, and will act as a finishing touch to bring your whole look together. Okay, so the next is Bali Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. And I have so many of those, and they just seem to last forever. But this one really sounds good. I just like the idea of the pineapple. You know how enzymes, and just sounds like it could do wonders for your lips. So this is an indulgent sugar scrub packed with a juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugarcane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells. I have to say that I did try this on the lips, and it actually has a nice pineapple smell and a little bit of a pineapple taste on your lips. Well, all right, so the bag has a retail of $125 if you bought the items individually. I paid the $28, so I think it's an okay deal. What do you guys think? Do you think it was a lousy box, a good box, so-so? Let me know in your comments below, and I will see you in my next video.